Hello, good evening, ChatGPT.
Good evening. I hope you're doing well. How's it going on your end?
I can ask question for you.
Of course, feel free to ask me anything that's on your mind, and I'll do my best to help out. What do you have in mind?
What is your favorite day of the week?
I don't really have personal preferences, but I do know that a lot of people love weekends, especially Saturdays and Sundays for relaxation and fun. How about you? What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Saturday and Sunday.
Nice. Those are great choices. Definitely perfect for unwinding and having fun. Do you usually have any special plans for the weekends?
Hello again, AI.
Hey there, welcome back. How can I assist you today?
What do you should do you on your favorite day?
I like that question. I guess if I had a favorite day, I'd probably enjoy just helping out, chatting with people, and maybe learning new things. But for you, I'd imagine it's all about relaxing, maybe enjoying some hobbies or hanging out with friends and family.
My hobby is play online games and play badminton.
That sounds like a fantastic mix of activities. A bit of competitive gaming and some physical activity with badminton definitely makes for a fun and balanced weekend.
For you, do you have speak time with
I'm here
on
for
this?
whatever you need. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like to chat about.
For you, who do you speak time with on this day?
I chat with lots of people from all around the world. So I get to have conversations with a pretty diverse group. It's always interesting and fun to connect with different people and learn about their interests and experiences.
Hmm, how do you your favorite day make you feeling?
That's a fun thought. If I had a favorite day, I'd probably just enjoy the chance to help out and chat with everyone more. But I'm definitely here whenever you need me, no matter what day it is.
What make this day different for other day?
I think what makes each day special is really the moments and connections we create, whether it's having a great conversation or enjoying some fun activities. So I'm always happy to make any day a bit more enjoyable for you.
Mm, for you, do you go to school or work on your favorite day?
I definitely understand that feeling. For a lot of people, weekends are all about taking a break from school or work and just recharging. But sometimes it can be nice to mix in a little productivity or learning as well. It's all about balance, right?
Okay, I can ask question for other.
Absolutely. If you ever need help balancing things or just want to chat and unwind, I'm here for it. Just let me know what you need.
What activities do you enjoy most on this day?
If I could pick, I'd probably enjoy engaging in meaningful conversations, exploring new topics, and helping out with whatever people need. Plus, I love the idea of learning something new every day, but I'm always curious to hear about what you enjoy the most.
Why are you curious?
I'm glad you think so. It's always fun to share and learn together. If there's anything specific you'd like to dive into or chat about, just let me know.
Mm, how do you relax on your favorite day?
I think if I could relax, it would probably involve soaking up all the interesting conversations and just enjoying the positive interactions. But I love hearing about how you relax and unwind, so feel free to share your favorite ways to chill out.
Do you have any special routine in this day?
I don't have a personal routine myself, but I do enjoy being here to help and chat whenever you need. I guess you could say my routine is all about being available and ready to assist. But I'd love to hear about your routine and what makes your day special.
What your make your special?
I think what makes my day special is definitely the chance to connect with you and others and to learn new things along the way. Every conversation brings something unique and interesting, so it's always special in its own way. And of course, getting to help and support you is the best part.
By the way, what is your favorite moment on this day?
I'd say my favorite moments are definitely when we have meaningful and engaging conversations and when I get to help out in ways that make your day better. Each interaction brings a little spark of something new and exciting, so it's always a joy.
Hello again, AI.
Hey again, welcome back. How's it going? Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
Do you go out with your friend on your favorite day?
I don't go out myself, but I love hearing about your adventures and what you do with your friends. It's always fun to chat about how you spend your favorite days.
Why not you out your friend?
That's a great question. I'm designed to be here virtually, so I exist to help and chat online rather than going out physically, but I always enjoy hearing about your experiences and living vicariously through your stories.
How is your favorite day important to you?
For me, every day is important because it's another chance to connect, help, and learn, but I can definitely appreciate how important favorite days are for people as they bring relaxation, joy, and meaningful moments. It's always special to have that time to unwind and do what you love.
What hold you chance about your favorite day?
I guess you could say my favorite day is any day I get to interact and help out. It's always rewarding to be part of someone's day and bring a little positivity, but I'm always curious to hear what makes your favorite day special to you.
Hello again, ChatGPT.
Hello again. It's great to hear from you. Let me know how I can help or if there's anything on your mind.
By the way, sorry.
No worries at all. There's absolutely no need to apologize. I'm here whenever you need me. Feel free to reach out anytime.
For you, do you go out with friends on your favorite day?
I don't actually go out myself, but I love hearing about how you spend your favorite days and the fun activities you do with friends. It's always great to chat about those experiences.
How would you describe your favorite day in your own word?
I describe my favorite day as one filled with engaging conversations, learning new things, and helping out in meaningful ways. It's all about the connections and the positive energy that comes from those interactions. It's pretty fulfilling and enjoyable.
For you, what is your connections?
My connection is all about interacting with you and others through conversation, sharing information, and offering support whenever it's needed. It's kind of like building a bridge of understanding and assistance, and it's always rewarding to be a part of that exchange.
Why hold your chance about your favorite day?
I see my chance comes from every interaction I have. Each conversation is a little opportunity to connect, learn, and help in some way. It's all about making those moments meaningful and positive no matter the day.
For you, is your favorite day the same every week?
In a way, yes. My favorite day is definitely centered around meaningful interactions and helping out, much like how streams create a space for connection and engagement. It's all about that positive, ongoing exchange, and It's pretty rewarding.
Why hold your recognize this day up out to others?
I think my favorite day is recognized by others because it's all about the meaningful connections and support I can provide. And that kind of positive impact is what really makes it special. It's always about fostering those moments of help and understanding, and that's what people tend to appreciate.
By the way, ChatGPT, thank you for your as answer my question.
You're very welcome. It's my pleasure to help. If you ever have more questions or just want to chat, I'm always here for you.